In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank rules in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you remove a rule you no longer need. Bank rules help QuickBooks automatically categorize transactions as they come in, but over time they can become outdated, duplicated, or simply not useful. Deleting a rule cleans up your list and helps prevent misclassifications going forward. Don't worry, removing a rule does not delete any existing transactions. It only stops that rule from applying in the future. First, open your browser and log into QuickBooks Online. For a smooth experience, make sure you're using a supported browser and that your login has the right permissions to manage rules. If something doesn't look familiar on your screen, a quick refresh or clearing your cache can help, but the general navigation should be the same. Once you're in, look to the left side menu. Click Accounting, then choose Rules. This takes you to the central hub where all your bank rules live. Here, you'll see the rule name, its conditions, what it applies to, and whether it automatically adds transactions. If your list is long, you can sort by name or use the search and filters to narrow things down. Take a moment to confirm you found the exact rule you intend to remove, especially if you have similarly named rules. Next, move to the Actions column for that rule. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it. This reveals the available actions for the selected rule. Choose Delete from the drop-down menu. QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm. This is your safeguard to make sure you're removing the correct rule. Read the prompt, and if you're certain, approve the deletion. After you confirm, the rule will disappear from the list. If you don't see the change right away, a quick page refresh usually updates the view. Remember, deleting a rule is immediate for future transactions. Any transactions already matched or added by that rule remain as they are, so there's no need to worry about losing historical work. If you realize later that you still need a similar rule, you can recreate it with the same conditions. If you plan to clean up multiple rules, repeat this process for each one, taking a moment to verify each selection before you confirm. If you can't see the delete option, check your user permissions or contact your admin. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.